I've got a clear vision and a big dream: to make cooking videos that bring comfort and joy. I'm just starting, but every click helps. If you're here, please subscribe and help me turn this vision into something real.
Tenderize the gizzard like a pro. Start by giving the chicken gizzards a good wash, making sure to remove that yellow lining if there's any. Now here's the secret to making them super tender. In a bowl, mix ½ tablespoon of baking soda with 1½ tablespoons of water. Drop in the gizzards and massage them well. Yes, give it that love. Let it soak for 30 minutes. After that, rinse them under running water until squeaky clean. Set them aside. We'll be marinating them together with the pork and liver soon. Let's marinate the magic. In a large bowl, combine your pork belly and chicken liver. Season it with soy sauce, oyster sauce, ground black pepper, minced garlic and onion, and a splash of calamansi juice for that zesty punch. Give everything a good mix. Coat every piece with flavor. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight in the fridge. The longer, the tastier. Let's get cooking. Separate the marinated pork, liver, and gizzard into different containers. Don't throw away that marinade. We'll need it later. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Lightly fry the liver until both sides turn a beautiful light brown. Set them aside. Now fry the pork until it's browned and full of flavor. Next up, saute onions until translucent. Then toss in the garlic. Let that aroma fill your kitchen. Add in chopped tomatoes and cook them down until soft and juicy. Return the browned pork to the pan and stir it in.
The best part of every dish? Knowing someone out there is watching, feeling, tasting it too. If that's you, thank you. Stick around and subscribe.
Then add the gizzards and pour in the reserved marinade with a splash of water. Add the tomato sauce, give it a good stir, cover, and let the magic simmer. Build the flavor layers. Drop in a few dried bay leaves, plus 1 pork cube and 1 chicken cube for an extra flavor boost. Taste it, adjust the seasoning to your liking. If you're craving a spicy twist, toss in some red chili slices, just enough to match your spice tolerance. Go mild or go wild. Now let it simmer over medium-low heat for 30 to 45 minutes, or until the pork and gizzards are melt in your mouth tender. Remember to stir occasionally so nothing burns and sticks to the bottom. The creamy liver secret. In a small bowl, Mash 1 or 2 pieces of the fried liver with some sauce. This will thicken and deepen the flavor beautifully. Add this creamy liver sauce back into the pan and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Finally, return the remaining fried liver to the pot and simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, and there you have it. Serve hot and enjoy the flavor explosion. This dish is a celebration of textures and taste. Tender pork, creamy liver, rich sauce, and gizzards that practically melt in your mouth.
If you made it this far, thank you. It really means a lot. I'm building this dream one meal and one moment at a time, and I'd love for you to be part of it. Subscribe and let's keep cooking, dreaming, and growing together.